Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely open the device and handle any screws without damaging the casing. First, turn off your Conga 2290 and unplug it from the charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, place the vacuum on a clean, flat surface to ensure stability during the process. Now, locate the screws on the bottom of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, keeping them in a safe place so you don't lose any. There should be about 4 screws to remove. Once you have taken out all the screws, gently lift the bottom cover off to expose the battery compartment. Here, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using your microfiber cloth. This will help ensure that the new battery fits properly and functions well. Next, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connector. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if it's stuck. Once disconnected, take the new battery and plug it in, ensuring that the connection is secure. If you're unsure about which battery to use, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you choose the right replacement. Once the new battery is connected, double-check the compartment for any loose screws or debris. If everything looks good, carefully replace the bottom cover and secure it back in place with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. If you don't have the tools for this job, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. After replacing the cover, power on your Conga 2290 to test the new battery. Make sure it charges properly and that the vacuum functions as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Lastly, remember to keep your device clean and well maintained. Regularly check the battery and internal components to extend the life of your Conga 2290. With these steps, you can ensure that your robotic vacuum continues to perform optimally. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.